Okay, now we are going to continue building out our blockchain API. And we are going to build 3 endpoints in our API to start with. So our first endpoint is going to be /blockchain. And we can delete this from inside of here. And what this endpoint is going to do is when we hit it, it is simply going to send back to us our entire blockchain. Easy enough. The next endpoint that we are going to make is going to be post to /transaction. And this is the endpoint that we will hit to create a new transaction on our blockchain. And finally, the third endpoint that we are going to create will be app.get to /mine. And we'll put our callback function in here with a request and response. And what this /mine endpoint will do is it will mine a new block for us or create a new block for us, which is pretty cool. So those are the 3 endpoints that we are going to build out in this section of the course. And this is going to basically be the foundation of our blockchain API. Now, one more thing that we want to do is we want to change our listen method down here a little bit. So what we're going to do is, as a second parameter to this method, we are going to add a function. And inside of this function, we are simply going to console log out the string listening on port 3000. And the reason that we do this is just so that when our port is actually running, we will know that because we'll see this text. So I can show you that right now. If we head over to the terminal and we run our API file again by running node dev/API, you can see now that we have our listening on port 3000 text logged out. So whenever we see this text now, we know that our server is running, and that will just make it easier for us to work with. Cool. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to work on our environment a little bit to make the development process a little bit easier for us moving forward. Then after that, we will begin building out all of our endpoints. See you in the next video.